Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. I have a very exciting product here today that was sent to me by the company called LightLash. And the reason it's so exciting is because the number one reason you never see me using false lashes is because I'm really bad at applying them, and it takes me ages to put them on, and by the time I put them on, basically my eye makeup is ruined because I have glue all over and I just find them super uncomfortable to wear. So when they contacted me and they asked me if I would be interested to try out this quite revolutionary product, I was super interested, and we're just gonna jump right into it, and I'm gonna talk to you about it, and I'm gonna put it on for the first time. This is a brand new company. They're just starting out, so they only have 3 different types of lashes at the moment. They have Diamond, Vixen and Natural, and I decided to go with the natural one because, as I said, I'm not really used to wearing lashes. I do get tempted sometimes and I pick up lashes and they're all just sitting in my drawer. So I'm not really used to using them. But this glue is quite revolutionary in my opinion, as I said before. So if it's going to work, I might be able to use it with the other lashes as well. So I'm quite excited about that. This is how the packaging with the natural lashes look like. I hope you can see them quite well like this. So these are the lashes I picked up. Gorgeous lashes, and it has a transparent band, so it should be very seamless when you apply it. The lashes themselves cost £15 each, which is quite expensive, but if it's a good pair of lashes that you can use plenty of times, it might be worth it for you. For me personally, what's really great is the pen. It's called Insta Liner. This one costs £20. So basically what it is, it's a clear eyeliner pen that you can apply just near your lashes, and once it gets a bit tacky, then you just pop on the lashes and they're gonna stay there. I think that sounds amazing, and it actually makes a lot more sense than putting the glue straight on the lashes and then trying to somehow put them to the right place. That just never works for me. So this might be the beginning of a new friendship for me with my collection of false lashes that I've never used. The only instruction they give you with this pen is to not to use any oil-based product on your lids when you're using this. I guess it's because it cancels it out and it's not gonna stay tacky enough so that the false lashes will basically just fall off. And they also ask you, if you have oily lids, to properly clean them before you start applying this product, because that's how it's going to adhere to your false lashes. And they basically just want you to run through with this near your lashes, put a little bit of extra amount in your inner and outer corner, and that's it. Once that's done, you're ready to pop on the lashes and good to go. Now, before I would start applying this one, I'm gonna very quickly check if the lashes are actually the right length for me. Yeah, this one seems to be fine. I guess it's because this one is the natural one. It's less crazy than the other 2 versions. I think Vixen looks quite beautiful as well. Diamond is a bit too much for me, but if this one works, I might have to pick up the Vixen version as well. So now that I know that the lashes are the right length for me, we can get started. I'm gonna zoom you guys in and we're gonna start applying the Insta Liner. Alright, so I'm gonna do one eye at a time, starting with this one. I think it removed my eyeliner, but I'm gonna go back on with some more once we applied the lashes. Okay, so I just went on and fixed that black eyeliner because, like I said, the lash glue removed some of it, but otherwise it was super quick and it's done, and it's sitting perfectly. So big thumbs up. It was super quick. Let's do the other eye as well. I'll be honest with you, I never tried the magnetic lashes, and like I said, I'm really bad with the glue, and I just never really been using lashes due to that. Maybe 3-4 times in my life overall I used lashes, so I'm really not good at it, but this was so beginner friendly and so easy to do. I really love this. I'm gonna leave a link to their website down below if you guys want to check it out. If you pick up the pen and the lashes together, it's £29.75, so basically you save about £5 by buying them as a bundle. And I feel like what's special about these lashes is definitely the Insta Liner pen itself. So I would highly suggest you picking up the pen, even if you have your favorite lashes already and you're not really into trying out new false lashes. The pen itself is amazing and I would highly suggest to giving them a try. That's it for today, guys. I know this was a really quick video, but you can only talk so much about a pair of false lashes. I really like it though, and I would highly suggest you having a look and maybe considering picking one of them up. That's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, because I would love to have you here. And until next time, take care of yourself. I will see you very soon.